guys out hunting for tire for tube. Yeah, 120, 90, 18, 27 euros. There's only one. It's heavy. If there's only one in, I bet it is. Where's the levers? Off to find the mushroom for a tire. Okay, heading home. Wheel comes off and I'm taking to the repair shop to put the mushroom in to get it professionally fixed. Time is ticking. So here we go again. Oh boy. Let's go. Goes much faster if you know what you're doing already. So far so good. Guys, that rush that you know that you might be actually on the road today, it gives you some adrenaline. I slept like 5 hours last night researching what tire, what inner tube I need and what else do I need to do. So, you know, the excitement, the adrenaline was running from yesterday. So let's see if I'm able to finish it here. The tire looks okay, so I didn't write too much on it when it was flat, too flat I mean, and there is no air in it. So let's see if we can do, or what we can do with these levers. For the comparison, I have a monkey tire here. Monkey wheel. Dusty as hell, but this is monkey. Alright, nice. Okay. I was able to get it loose with the ones I had, so nothing really major. It's all good. Yeah, it's better to do it on the floor. And this is the hole. Look at that. There's nothing left, so this is garbage. And this might be actually the nail. Yeah, so yeah, it probably is. Let's see where the sucker is. It's about, yeah, I'll take it to the shop. And so it might be better, probably it's better to take the nail out, not to do what I did, but you live and learn. So here you go. Wow. So all the excitement about getting the Timson repaired fade away when I realized the tire has more damage than expected. So I had to get another outer tire and inner tube. So, and it's been a week now, and we are starting to putting it all back together and see how it goes. And first I would just like to know how much some things weigh. So I'll start from the start and first go and weigh the stock inner tube. It is also Timson. $731. And then we have ultra heavy duty inner tube, 4 mil Michelin. And this thing is heavy and the box is huge. One kilo, 647 grams. Getting more stuff off the table. We don't need these anymore. And then we go, what I had is the powder. It cost me about €3. And then I have universal mounting paste. It cost me around €5-6. And I have a wheel. The wheel suffered some damage, a little bit of damage of the incident. It's because of me. I didn't take off the nail. So a little bit damage is here. I sanded and repainted it. It's all good to go. Also went to see the Simmerlings or the seals, maybe go with the new ones. And decided they were about €7 each, but decided to go with the stock ones and leave them as they are. So once they go bad, replace the bearings and put another seals. So that's fine. Then we have tires. There is a huge width difference between these two, at least now. Once I put it on, you will see it change the visual, but now they are, and look at that. And weighing the tires. Timson first. $6.9. $5.8. So 1 kilo 100 grams difference. Continental is lighter. So here's the math and science class then. So Timson inner tube 730 grams versus Michelin 1 kilo 648, and the outer is 6.6 and Conti is 5.6. I ended up having 200 grams less weight. You know, it depends obviously how it's on the weight, and so it's not exactly, so about so 6.6 versus 5.6. So it means Timson setup is 82 grams heavier than going with the 4 mil heavy duty Michelin inner tube and then Continental tire. So here's the math. So in total, tires, powder, paste comes total to €160 of this damage. So it is what it is. Now we start putting it all together and see how this one goes. Doing it first time again on this bike or on this size of tire in general. I've only done it on a monkey. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Did the weathering, because why not? Just like so. No, it will come off anyway, so, but just for fun. So this is the way I chose to do it. Let's go. And here we are. Start has been given. So powder, let's see. It's moving around. It's been so humid. It's very draining, so I we're getting there. It's good. Next, the tube goes in. Okay. A little bit of air will go in, just a little bit. So I know it sits in there properly. So don't forget, this is directional. This is directional, so it goes on only one way. And what I have for the stand is just a 5-gallon bucket, some bricks in it for weight, for stability. Then the rim goes on, and the tire. We'll go from here. Okay, one side done. And let's see what's going on the other side. Good. And the interesting fact about this TKC 80 tire is that the producing date. So this one is 22nd week of 2022. There was a recall for about close to 69,000 tires, included different kind of motorcycle and scooter tires, from 6th January 2019 to 30th April of 2022. So these tires were recalled. They might develop some cracks in the tread, so all those tires were recalled. This tire is good. It's 30th May, so somewhere in that region, so I'm all good. Just a fact. And another thing you would like to know probably is how it looks like on the rim. So we go from here, and what I can tell you right now already is that dim sum looks fatter. That's weird. So this one looks thinner. You probably can go 130 if you want to have a thicker look. I could even measure it. I'll measure it. So there you have it. 132 and that much. So this is funny. So this is gonna be one skinny tire. So that's where 1 kilo difference is also. I knew it when I first saw it. I knew it's skinny, so it is skinny, yeah. But whatever, it will wear out, and you can always buy a thicker tire, or wider, not a thicker, wider. Yeah, all right. Height-wise, the same. Okay, look at this. It's been sitting here for a week. Good I did get the, lift for it. Otherwise, I would have to put the tire or the wheel back on. So it's been sitting here for a week. All good. Oh my. Let's go. So here we are. Guys, wish me luck. It's gonna be a second attempt to my break-in period of this motorcycle, so hopefully everything goes well, but I'm pretty sure there will be more surprises. But for myself, the notes 18, 21, 13. These are the keys what I need to take with me if I go on a trail. And if I'm home, then 75 plus minus 7.5 newton-meters of torque. Okay guys, wish me luck. I'm heading out. Guys, so I'm back to my original plan. Like on the first day, a week ago. As I was saying a week ago, I was planning to come here to have a lunch along with my first ride, as I did with my monkey, and I didn't come here, so got the flat tire. We're fixing it this time, so bon appetit. 30 kilometers in. Tire is nice and quiet. You can't hear it much. It's more quieter than Timson, that I can say. Timson was more louder. Just trying out the bike. What I like is, monkey is 125, and if you accelerate on the dirt, it doesn't leave any tracks. This one does with different gears, so that's good. So this is what I'm talking about. I know. I'm taking it easy, just a little bit here, just a little bit there. That's it. Guys, I'm tempted, but I know it's just the first day, so we have plenty of time. It's about 15 kilometers on my home from the city, actually. Maybe 15, maybe 20, something like that. First time here. So that's what it is. You go to places with the motorcycle. Yeah, for sure. This is where I come to swim. Jõudu! Kuidas? Niisama? Asking what I'm taking pictures of. They were thinking maybe the whatever they are, the frogs. So yeah, this is the place. The water is so high. This is the board we jump off usually. See, it's maybe 20 centimeters only, and the stairs are completely underwater. What kids do, there's a rope on the other side, so the rope goes up, they jump with the rope. Yeah, it's a nice place. There's a sauna, and the birdie is right there. Birds are coming back. Ducks. Finally, spring is back. Looks like people are waiting for summer. Suvi means summer. Yeah, look at that. The river is so high. Usually this is dry land. Can you imagine waking up in here, having your tent? Actually, I've done it once with the motorhome, and then I had monkey inside of the motorhome, the back in the garage. In Estonia, annually 20 20 people drown under the influence of alcohol. Show your backbone and tell your drunk friend don't go into the water. Otherwise, don't swim while drunk. And the signs are still up that don't go on the ice. Look at that. Look at that. New tree is find a way. It's probably planted. And there is a volleyball court. Yeah. Yeah. Table tennis. Basketball. Let's go see what's on the other side. Birds are really coming to life. In here. This is new time modern home. It's energy efficient. Look how many firewood for saunas and stuff, you know, fireplace. Yeah, dries out, falls off, all good. Tires are good, very nice and quiet. And see, there's just enough space with that size, and actually it doesn't look that bad. It is thin, but yeah. What? Thumbnail? Why not? Keep it clean. Preserve the nature and keep it clean. 6-7 degrees. Couldn't resist myself, see? Ended up being on the forest trail. Just a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I wonder what they build. Maybe Rail Baltic somewhere over there. And then I wonder if it passes here. You know, the rail, high-speed rail from Tallinn to Warsaw. Gonna turn around and go back. But this is my first enduro bike ever, and I'm super happy. It's so soft. Suspension works so nicely. Yeah. The front tire, if it would be, you know, knobbies. But this is still, right now, for my beginner pace, it's good. And the rear tire does well, very well. On the highway, you cannot even tell that it's the enduro motocross tire. So yeah, let's go home. Oh yeah, I'm at 89. Guys, what are the chances I'm getting a puncture? Yeah, still, you know, you find places. Sun is setting. Day is almost done. So So far so good, I would say. No punctures thus far. April 15th, 2024, 8:39 p.m. The sun has set. We're doing good. Just the last stretch home. Look at that, how many scooters and bicycles. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Take care.